How to replace the left fan. Before you begin, remove the service door, battery, 2.5-inch storage drive assembly, wireless WAN module, and base enclosure. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the display panel and touchscreen cables for later replacement. Disconnect the touchscreen cable from the connector on the system board. Remove the two 2mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the display panel connector bracket to the system board. Remove the display panel connector bracket. Disconnect the display panel cable from the connector on the system board. Remove the display panel and touchscreen cables from the routing channel on the left fan. Disconnect the left fan cable from the connector on the system board. Loosen the 3 captive P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the left fan to the system board. Lift the front edge of the left fan and slide it out from under the heatsink. Remove the left fan. Reverse this procedure to install the left fan.